Hello and welcome to the Anytime Anywhere PTE Academic Preparation course. My name is Amardeep Singh and I am going to be your trainer in this course. In this course, you are going to learn PTE right from the very basic level to an advanced level. You are going to get 40 training video based lectures. In addition to that, you will be getting access to our portal where you will be getting more than 3000 questions for practice, 200 section tests, 50 each for listening, reading, writing and speaking, and 30 full length mock tests. The validity of the portal will be 6 months and our result is AI evaluated and you will get your result within 5 to 10 minutes. And you can also analyze your result also, like why a particular answer is correct or incorrect in reading module, how much you have got in, let's say, your speaking module in fluency or in pronunciation or in content. So detailed analytics is there. Let me show you how our portal works and how you are going to get lectures. So first of all, about lectures. We have taught everything in detail. Let me just give you an example. In describe image, we have even explained different types in detail, like you have pie chart, bar chart, line graph, table, flow chart, picture, map, architecture plan. Okay, all our lectures are example based lectures. Let me jump on to multiple choice, multiple answer. So even this lecture is also of 24 minutes. So you can imagine how detailed the lecture is. In essays also we have done the same thing. We have taught like how to write an essay, okay, by using template, and we have taught in detail also. Okay, we have explained like how to do brainstorming, what should be your structure, and then we have written essays ourselves, like opinion is there, discussion is there, sample cause and effect essay, problem solution, advantage, and then double question essay. So this course has everything. Anyone who is looking for basic training or anyone is looking for detailed and advanced training. Now about our portal. So after you have logged in, you will get interface like this. Now let's say you want to start with your question type practice. So jump to question type tab and click on question type practice. Here you can see like you have more than 3000 questions. You can use filters here. Okay, let's say if I jump to your speaking and then if I click on, let's say, read loud. Okay, let's say jump onto your this one, first one, you will get the same interface like what you get in the exam. Being positive for one day won't to do it. Strengthening your mind is like strengthening your body. If you do push-ups and then look in the mirror, you won't see any difference. Similarly, if you think positive for 24 hours, you will see little difference. But discipline your thinking for a few months and you will get bigger changes in life. Now once you are done, you submit and then you can analyze it in detail. You can analyze your question test or your mock test or section test in the same way. Now in this one I got 14, so it deducted my 1 mark in fluency, and you can see like these words were not clear: strengthening, your, and then won't. Let's say if I jump onto your test section here, and here like you have different tabs: mock, writing, reading, listening and speaking. Overall the number is 230. Okay, 30 mock tests and 50 each: listening, reading, writing and speaking. Let's say if I jump onto your reading module. Now let's say if I start your test number 8. Okay, now let's say if I simply submit the test without answering anything, what you can do, you can analyze like why answer is correct or incorrect, because explanation will be there. Okay, now see I have submitted it. To analyze, what I have to do, I have to click on test history, and there I need to go to let's say analysis, and there I can analyze. For example, the first answer is this one, why this is the answer. The second in this one, why this is the answer. So I don't want to discuss all, okay, because this is one of the tests. So this is how our portal works. So I hope you have got the idea what you are getting in this course. Now if you want to register, please visit our website, and Indian students can pay through UPI or can click on this link and pay, and international students can click on this link and pay. Once you have paid the fee, you can contact us on this number. We will share the details, or you just wait for 30 to 40 minutes. You will get email or message from us. And if you don't want to wait, you want immediate access, then you ping us on this number, and we will share details. So that's all guys, thank you very much, see you in the course.